Hi boss, you needed something?
Oh, you're finally here in turn. Our new client's website isn't working properly and I can't access the information I need.
Let me think. Are all the plugins in your browser updated?
Plugins? Updated? Doesn't this Internet Explorer do all this automatically?
Wait.
What?
You're using Internet Explorer?
Yes.
Haven't you heard of the greatest web browser ever? Mozilla Firefox.
Who?
Firefox, the open source browser that's better than every browser out there.
Open source? Speak proper English.
Never mind. Let me just download Firefox to your computer and...
No, I don't want anything I don't know on my computer. I don't want you to download any illegal viruses. So explain this open source to me.
Do you want me to sing Richard Stallman's free software song too?
What?
Never mind. The open source movement was started in the 1970s. This one guy, Richard Stallman, and many other programmers had their own online community where they shared software.
What?
Programs. Computer programs. At one point, money-hungry companies started creating programs that could not be shared. Programmers like Stallman didn't like not being able to share programs or even see how they were built, so they decided to create software themselves. Open source software gives the users freedom in how they use it. If you're knowledgeable in programming, you can see how the program runs and even change how it runs to the way you want it to run. You're also freely able to share the program with anyone you want, and it's totally legal. Also, if you're a good programmer, you can change the program's code to make it even better and publish your version where others can use the program with your improvements. Should I keep going? You don't seem very interested in this.
I am. Go on.
Richard Stallman once said that the free software movement is partly inspired by the idea of scientific cooperation, the idea that we're working together to advance human knowledge for the benefit of everyone.
This guy sounds smart. Maybe I should offer him your job.
I don't think he would want to be an intern at some little paper sales company. Anyway, Stallman says that with non-free software there is an owner, and the owner controls the software and has the power over how your computer works. With open source software, you are able to control how programs work on your computer.
So what does all this open software have to do with this Firefox you were talking about?
Well, Firefox is an open source program that was created and improved by programmers all over the world. And like all the other open source programs, Firefox is totally free. And like I said before, it is way better than Internet Explorer, since millions of people provide their input, and many programmers work on improving Firefox.
You sure like to hear yourself talk, don't you?
But you told me to tell you about.
Enough. I've heard enough of your rambling for the day. How do I fix the client's website?
Well, we're not going to do anything to the client's website. We're going to download Firefox onto your computer and see if that fixes the issue you had.
And if it doesn't?
Well, then we had this lengthy conversation about the open source movement for no reason. Why don't we just try it? Can I just download Firefox onto your computer?
Fine.
There, try it now.
It works. Good job, intern. Now I don't have to fire Fox you. Ha 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 ha.